Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Dylan here. Well, we have an awesome new video for you guys today. This is about a new way that Uber and Lyft drivers can make up to $100 extra per month. I will have a link below to sign up for this company called Play Octopus, but I'm just gonna get straight into the video. And again, as long as you're an active Uber or Lyft driver, you most likely do qualify for this. So the app that we're talking about is Octopus. It's now a part of T-Mobile, and essentially what they do is they utilize Uber and Lyft drivers to put a tablet in the back of your headrest so your passengers, when they get inside, they can play games. And the best part is, if you're an Uber or Lyft driver, it's free. You can use our link below and use code RideshareHub when you sign up. And I've used this, I have the tablet. My passengers, when they get in, they play games or they don't. And you still make money even when you drive around and the passengers are not playing the games. So not everybody has to play the games in order for you to earn income. Now, I just wanted to show you guys a little bit about this. This is their team. This is the Octopus team. And you can actually see myself here. Octopus threw a party for drivers. These are just everyday folk who we all met up. They ended up giving me a free t-shirt as well. And they have their little octopus mascot. And they're a super fun team. They really care about drivers. Unlike, in my opinion, Uber and Lyft don't really care as much. Play Octopus really does. And they even pay drivers. And it's great, it's great. They gave us all free food at the party. And when you join, you can also get access to this group on Facebook with over 12,000 members, 10 posts a day. This page is dedicated to pro tips and fun promotions for drivers only. So they even have promotions where you get bonuses as a driver. Some drivers are making a really good amount of money by being a Play Octopus member. So you can sign up with our link below, and I did want to share you guys just what it looks like really quick. So this is a video that I made a little bit while ago, but I had it all set up in here in the car, and that's what it looks like when you get into the car. You get in and it's right there, and the passengers can choose whether or not they want to play the games, because the passengers will win up to $25 Amazon gift card if they get the highest score. So every day they give out $25 or whatever the promotion is at the time. And that way you make money while they're just sitting back there playing the game. And it's like free money waiting for you. It's really cool. And it shows the weather if they want to look at the weather. It shows, oh yeah, and this is what it looks like when it's quote unquote off. So when the passenger gets in, this is the screen they'll see. So it's not super flashy, but it does say tap to play. So the passengers can, if they don't want to play, it's just a dark kind of screen, and it's not gonna bother them, which is the best part, because a lot of passengers don't want to play, and that's totally fine. But if they do, they can tap and play and have that whole experience. And the thing that I noticed, and it's super easy to set up. I did do the little unboxing. That's what they send you. You strap it on your car and you just literally slap that thing on, and within a minute or two, you're making that good, sweet old money. And you can charge it in your little carport if you have one. Yeah, today's top score wins 25 bucks. So that's really, really cool. Now, another thing I wanted to mention is that when you do have this in your car, you will start to notice not only your ratings are higher, but you get higher tips, because your passengers, all of a sudden, they're like, whoa, this is a premium ride that I'm getting. My driver went out of his way to get this tablet in the car. Most of them think you paid for it, but that's okay. They don't need to know. But even regardless, they still see that you went out of your way to put this in your car to provide them literally free games to play. And you notice that you start getting a lot more $5 tips, $10 tips, because just a normal basic ride that you give, a 20-minute ride where it's silent in the back, whatever, those are fine. They're probably not going to tip you. But when you have a 20-minute ride and they're playing the games, everyone in the back seat's trying to get that high score, trying to get that 25 bucks. All of a sudden, it's like, this is a super fun ride, and they feel they feel this high on life because they just had the best ride of their life. They're going to give you $10 as a tip, maybe, hopefully. So that's what it looks like. It comes in this cool little box and you get to join their cool little community. And when you sign up with our link below, oh, another thing, where is Play Octopus? So Play Octopus has been expanding rapidly. So when you sign up, it's gonna ask you what city you live in. Guys, they are pretty much all over the country now. They're in some of the biggest markets. Honestly, they're pretty much nationwide, and I would honestly be shocked if you didn't get approved. As long as you're active, you have to have done a few rides. Yeah, but 40,000 drivers now, that's crazy. 40,000 Octopus drivers. Get a free tablet, use the link below, extra earnings, higher driver ratings, better conversations, just overall better experience. Yeah, they're not in a few of these little random states, random. But you know, they're in California, Oregon, Washington, Florida, Texas. They're pretty much, you know, they're in most states, most popular states. Or most populated states. Oh, they're all literally right here. So, how does it work? Is it legit? Oh, and other people say, what if it's stolen? Tablet theft is extremely rare, but in the event it's stolen, please provide us with the related police report and we will waive the tablet loss fee. So if it is stolen, you do need to file a police report and they will send you a new one. Does it matter which service I drive for? Nope, you gotta drive for either Uber, Lyft, or any other rideshare service. Interesting, so I guess I don't really know the other ones, but if you drive for another one, then you can. How do you qualify? Drivers that do 100 rides a month and have been at least driving for 2 months. Where can I get a tablet? Use the link below, sign up. What do riders say? They love it. Yeah, free games and prizes, who wouldn't like it? Is it legit? Absolutely. Don't ask us, ask our community. Check out our testimonials. So yeah, they even have testimonials on their site, which is pretty cool. Wow, this driver earned 1,000 extra bucks. Wow, that's pretty awesome. $1,000 he made just by putting that in your car. I mean, that could be you. This guy made 500 bucks. This guy made over $1,000. 5,000 points, 4,000 points, 500 bucks. This could be you, my friend. So sign up with the link below. Use code RideshareHub when you do sign up, and you can start making money. 600 bucks. I mean, this is literally like that could pay for a couple car payments. You know, that could pay for yeah, $10 tip. Last night I had a passer with the instant win game and it was just an amazing moment to watch. $10 tip, that's literally so cool. So, I'm gonna end the video there, guys, but thank you so much for, yeah, they got a little mascot. This guy's super cool. But yeah, guys, check out Play Octopus, link below. Let me know if you have used it and if you think it's worth it. In my opinion, there's no reason why it wouldn't be worth it because it's, for one, it's free. And number two, you make money. So I don't see any downside, but let me know if you like it and use the link below. Otherwise, guys, I'll talk to you soon. Have a great day. Bye now.